Me say omamu ha opon se ye twa sika edia atoso no minua me say amanfo bedi sika no ama yare no betu atese enu se ebeti nipa be 200 na sika no kra de asanada actors etimi ya drama ede kire se yare ni se na tie enye wakwan we so na obefa abobon na enu kra no kwan be so na obehu se esumesi kra nya
if you go to stage you need to find average also the way the mortality rate is but as at now dear people in young free are in doors to sing the table the senator alcohol percentage I reach me to abuano say you say a benema kuimua and have bread born out to tell so
se Ghana ha bapa nkrofo bitima chibentem pa beti o montem pa is queen for afia odo no msa eyi obi an etimi kunu we uhuni ntem na wo ba a doctor for bitimi ahwe kati yesterday some no kwani ya quarantine.
Hello, lovely fans of Paulino Multimedia. My name is Ija Armstrong Paulino Ade. Obit me follow on Instagram paulino_com. And I host them and I to be say afanana na the imu yan say a bibrum has say no. Nipa bibre is so say yare we I friend coronavirus. Abi pimo yes say upon compo rita na ye. I make houses show we stand up here by supplements and I say so you be man up so boy Juma which me from number no screen so 18 to 40 plus more module and a 40 plus or more drew stand up here by supplements a draw the boy Juma ye ama or here can say more piafo na show we no and idea no a coronavirus never come once then I was here then you was say ye the two account then I was saying pay for ni na me ka say ha say so no ye be free doctor penia or Confanochi teaching hospital I okumase na ye na discussion now so na futu sembia na say they also what fire railway home bia what ibia na what be but obema wo bibia be bo ho ban yi pa
Fabia here ba
akwa so ba polimo
ya fronto
say ya nchenti boza
you say de nyi si ya say dia aye ne de tisi e kone sa because coronavirus no hiding na o yehwe other countries no mo anyinyane ne kwa mo fa so mo bo sa yare ho ban enye easy na Ghana yete se nipa mienu anya bie na ye pe kwan ye be fa so e bobo ho ban na enne ya me no ka sei nipa 4 nso anya bi abeka 2 no ho ayi se o mo ayi 6 minia sisi de Ghana for ye hia bambo papa.
I think they say so aban so the normal go akwema omo try say visitors omo by the country no say o country are recording nipa like 200 kwa omo mongrem but I think say no crown is not enough like yenya record bi o ho a if you say nipa be 5 bidia na 10 bidia but 200 and say from 100 echo crown and also
yeah true.
I think say government no so ebeti aba from kakra say if country I record bi also say nipa be 50 kona ema onwura kroni but they say almost nipa 200 so country now recorded like 200 people were kwa omoma onwura kroni I say ni kruma na kra no rema ye be 14 days quarantine e be make sure say bibia
benu quarantine no ene say omoma ni ye adwuma se nipa 3 kra na yewu omanimu a ye make sure say ya yo mo quarantine ahwehwe mo video say yare no omo ni bi
enti a minchwa no
that's right
yam bra omo a ahoho ebe mu ansa na she started with quarantine don't forget say debia flight air koneba KLM eba yiba Emirates enti Ethiopia airline enti nipa bia flight bia so over 300 500
nipa ne wom
nti obetimi a quarantine da bia anti a day bia nipa land grant na be 3000
that's right
this are nipa 3000 obetimi a quarantine o nyina da bia no so ye hectic it is yet omo ba no so a
that's right
nipa na ebe ba no kakra bi
about kakani on betimi I manage ahwe
because a whole America US omo di so omo supreme
that's right
Europe Germany nesa European countries ni no ma bra side UK
yeah you see no
yeah I think it's a good move for the government to do that after 6 cases recorded. Now yes, say 6 cases so they are no deal.
Serious. See when I say you say virus no timi spread and tentem no. And adia baby aya etimi eche wo say cold area baby ehwe enwunu no virus no timi che wo about 10 days.
No, that's all.
And then that's so to be about betnas be so don't sabe so me so be hwin bi so baby also you will be infected. So that I say and you know I was see who kwan ya be fa so e bebo ho ban but Africa hand there yetie ye enam say awia no ebo more e wa ha virus na mpe heat more into heat no na ma virus na bia be 3 days so be 10 days na bit me 3 days we about be faako eno na bet no entwan ko no
chichimu ne Dr. Dexon our conference our the sanchichimu ne be ma yi
papa enti we say the adesrede a yesre aban sesi and say na de nyame asese aban so atwa 100 million US dollars e de ato say yemfa nhwe bambo ne be sere sika ya yetwa ato ho no
yemfanye
omonhwe mfanye ho adwuma na omonka to omotwa sika ne de ato ho na kwabanane edi nafu betu sika no so ne nabusunya awi half ne edi mu quarter akoye adwuma no
because a country like China I think say use over 60 billion US dollars and see how
bokra
it's summer into you say you make it
yetimi yes anka ba na okra no bra pani ba na okra sika yi ba ye esi yetimi yi musicians bi mo ya ambassador mo mutimi ebo hu dewuro
because you who advert bia
masa
official government na twa say coronavirus ni say na I'm for monye
me say omamu ha opon say yetwa sika edia atoso no mimia me say amanfo bedi sika no ama yare no betu atese enu say ebeti nipa be 200 na sika no kra de asanada sika no omwedi sika no kan sa yare no kra tete amanfo ya di sika to wo advert o sem penfo bi ko schools
at least him provide schools with sanitizers me
bra pen ese ko mo ko chire e wo ho churches ye kwan chire bebia nipa dodo ehia bia no omi yi amanfo eye chire wo ho actors etimi ya drama
e de chire
e wo ho e de chire se yare ni se na tie enye wa kwan we so na obefa abobon na eno kra no kwan be so na obehu se esumesi kra nya bi se bia obe ebe ya se bia fever obowa na ese wuti den epawo eba ne sa menka se bia malaria na emombo mode na koche sanyo mani na so mutimi chechire na se hu se certain symptoms password ebi won ho a ne ye hu kwan ebefa so a ye bebo ye ho ban
nti so ni ma ebi hu se
pia news baby you say yi mpenfo mo tete ho mo mutimi church na manfo ya maame mo mu radio so mo dewuro
see I think this
ni abe kasi ya yesika to ho na sika da ho sa obo wanse ne yare na achi obi a na akofa nse bebraba
I think say ya hwe ye ne nya ejibu mo Ghana ya si nyina bitimi ahye because Ghana ntesa abruchira e bia onsa abruchira normally
that's right
me yere ne mema
that's right
Ghana me wo fa wo ho me anti wo ho me wo fa ase nti abusuani nyina e wo fie ba akom ba kunya ya enya ne we nima we benya abusuani nyina ase be yanti ya ne na abusua bia ni Ghana
black penny
NC but na yase
that's right even how crampona is your market yes menche onua no kra de ya chia sa amana kai ho
So
we ya wo watch ya we ya wo bra na we fi kra watch ya wanya bi onya bi enti ya kase Ghana ha pa se na yare na bam se mpenfo ntimi
amfom na nsi fom
mama dia nye bibia anso anu mprepre dia menua kwa be fa so e be chi nipa no because single room nipa do e da ho baako fo di nya fiofo yin na nya se baako fi baako nya kotosi ehun se ewia fo yin na nya I'm telling you Ghana habambo ankasa no e wo fam what I say ndi e say no apandi abandi manimdie no endosun education no endosun na se nkoma social media fo yi enye se o mo bohu de wuro ma amanfo ehu de ekoso de ba brapani anke ye de ne saabo na yade no atu atese ati Ghana fo yina
because nangofo bi so dwen say overhype to say ye be kan Ebola na akoda anye yi ba
Ebola ba na yade ye wo ho
ye wo ho but
na e say ne ya so ano
sa hype and na too high but I think that they should understand that the
too high no na man
deadly virus.
Thank you. Too high no media houses in the year and then intima man spread bibiri.
Can you say
it is a media houses no either some best spreading of bad or good. Ni na no eboa. The ye woman no ni afa. So what must say?
E bi say to fear man go for answer na.
Oh dem fear. Ento fear. Fear no umu ya twwa kokon si aka menyon baako ya de ni ba dokun ye bohu de we say abe ya wo be ya hweyi so what man say se me no social media for anka me date me nua bi be date what ya mo hu de wura nti aban twasika to a ye make sure say ye de be ye de wo say so omoye na baako fo antena so so mo so nim say campaign ti ana omo asen atwa sika na omo ankasa de akwaye omo niam de a ene atwadwe omo a what you say ende nyankopon de me gidi say nka odi obetu omo kapa oh yeah
all right nyankopon ebetu ampanyifo ka say omo de sika no eto say omo eyefunu mu pe enti na omo twa sika no na nye yare ni nti a na make house stand up about supplement na so say so person boy juma pa from number no na wo so Yeni Dr. Dixon, I will walk on for noche, every children come. Stay tuned. For sending me catch you, say, for Dr. Dixon, I will come for a noche teaching hospital, Okumase. Now, what church, Bambo, and I say, you might, yeah, a boy, na, yes, so yet me a bit I safe, a way home. Dr. Bacher, your more call about Polino Multimedia.
Yeah, I just
Dr. Bachonka, over to me. Ama uru ewo Ghana memu ha.
Okay, me medical practitioner. Me wo Tiwa Memorial Hospital na sa confirmatory accident emergency unit.
Okay, doctor. Yare aba obia say pandemic ya ewo wiase nyina no. Ya recorded 2 cases ani nim say nketu atwa. Enedwa yomo de 4 cases abeka ho amana 6. And I say atungo for IMCC and I see a demon como ewo Polino Multimedia and I have also I agree. But then I bet me I can't fire you.
Yo, me that's what Quenya or Jamami. Yari coronavirus I attended COVID-19. In fact, it can't see my son and I doing what you say. And so, and they do Ghana ama if we that they can record 2 cases every single as our colony. Ghana, I think the government now you're not familiar. Now you will never be blessed to say young Timmy for so yeah now reduce Yari because you can record 2 cases, and so they say, I multiply via 2 or 3 times within a short period of time. And in the first 2 cases, if you are going to nearby, they say, number I have been say, the next person I'll be here and say if you are going to number because many contacts TV before say you don't so many area. No do but they can't go about 2-3 days as a crown or hospital. And my bassa is or more TV or more money in it. I was said quickly, increase your money. It's more micro.
And see, Doctor, me bacho wadaroma nurse ehun hia say ye call omufie se na wo kan say ye hu se nipa ba kwasomasi anya bia efie ofo ni nyina wo se ye call na se ye be quarantine omo a ya ye ne sa bebepe se na wo kan ye ti wase a
what's it omo come into contact with some patients ni nyina no yet me quarantine omo na monitor omo for signs and symptoms of condition obu okra basana it will take blood sample test so when you really be asana it's I say 2 or 3 days coffee in a brophobia mobile now was I feel symptoms kakra no more present say on person be check if say bia na you test you on be fortunately we in China food to in other countries so we so that testing are no me negative.
Okay doctor me bacho we there sorry na Tresa o chima yenye hu symptoms ni bia wo say ya yetutu anamon ne ba hospital ne be check Doctor Machana me tresa see nya symptoms na say ya hu say kitie ya me em fa say normal fever ne malaria ne yem fa mra hospital ne me check out
think dia will be and now when you saw truth, and now SCC and now we feel you can craft the one you could, no, and now also why I say, so I'm way in and now say normal food and I say, and now so Naminko so much in Cotebu, the hospital near screen because the one because or not my area and some of my hospital because social area and mortality rate now in this rosa in area mortality rate no so you can't say that if you for no nipa survival area does no more.
Oh okay.
If you more no a fact is the brain the back. You need to go out on cigarette.
Okay.
We will be out on cigarette. Ya area na affect you because cigarette na got a hard rawa na cigarette sa pa na hard you na biom so no obu on ma age 60 and above and for me you do some the bus of system no from kakra it's almost na area na send you must kuntia virus no the pediatric kuntia the fact is the green agent you know something here quickly the hospital na young test
okay, doctor, that's bebre. Now, doctor, me pacho individuals no so then you be ya you between their boy home buying free area no.
Okay, because the prevention is better than cure. Individuals, I was here, regular hand washing. What's at least you could be every 13 minutes, so I should be themselves so be also because when you send you be everything and I'm from any the song, someone might be. Every 30 minutes, I also quite check what cover budget, and you won't find out no pay. And I will touch you. Face mask. If you are taking also people who mark a fabo. And I want to get a new substance, so I say, or mark one farm. I told you, the hand sanitizer, I have an alcohol hand wrap.
Okay.
Most times, hand sanitizers, yeah, percentage of alcohol, you come up for say, you see alcohol to come one into your not buy no more, and then so alcohol now, and the percentage of the towers will come only 42%, and they were better. From 60% of alcohol above, which is the one I have the spirit, methylated spirit, and other hand sanitizers. I don't need to be one. Okay. In the hand sanitizer. bottom.
Okay.
Oh, once you have to meet the Kunsa. Another example, someone is union about what you have and time and the Kunsa. Another found come.
But I'm back on me bisa. Na me bisa on say o dey no ne fa won sa ho na. Within the 30 minutes time no and the odon suffer when you ma bibia ntimi yo. Pacho sanete.
When you no cry, but over touch face. Since here ka sa say. Every time some problem dey anyhow. The face no. What mean do although you see a really airborne. They are transmitted through respiratory droplets. The kind of respiratory droplets are. Maybe I'm not going to be a boy from them. So our droplets, no, I want to be now from them for a short time, but I know how to.
Okay.
It's a boy crowd, the boy will from them. Oh, yeah, and I'll be clear. And see, I've wanted to be there. I've been laughing when you.
Okay.
And you know, we don't sample so when you know they are clear one.
Okay.
And you know, so, and the audio disca. Ana dia so butu mana dia to na so ana bibina abo ani bi wo ha wo sa de koka wo nu mana de koka wo face wo hini mana wo nia ibe na ya ri bi eni ti lo dia kan na te before so better to face ni ni mana wo touch ya dia wi ya no abo sa ena wo me bi so abo se wi no
ansa no ata chi
wo sa de better to face what are the see ya no ka de wo dia wo be se
Doctor, I know I say me the mensa for my nimbe very. Enti na ma me bisa question.
Quickly about things over there for no one in kick out, you know.
Yeah.
Half that found that.
Okay.
What carry and put on. After the found that.
Okay.
Better before so better touching it after so better touching in what the many dia found that. I'm not sorry, very safe. In the area, avoid touching your face because at the moment, the impulse, in time, I have a second car when you maybe at that time now, alcohol, don't find your own side. Doing a practice too. Every 15 to 30 minutes, alcohol and it would be found like a car. Because every 15 minutes, what the car now, some touch bed. And I would take one, I wouldn't be the other to be to woman I regular. So they are
okay, doctor. Doctor Mbacho, now another question is say are buying at a $100 million at was saying from ya railway no. In Tisaska no Mijidi say be a distribute ama hospitals say obi bana say or was I any be on for no aputumska and no and Ampacho sanity.
Pacho sana okay.
Abi sanity san can be an
the say there were limit for example, employer for health insurance and maybe be a cover.
Okay.
India, a cassette, a phone lapsa, obey a better care, one test, maybe an old car. Okay. But the youngest car would be a lot of them. And see, this are buying the cabbage mark of armor. Okay. Now, the entrance will be a treatment view or, for example, tablets, I remember the other country, one and I go cry if we get me a cover because I buy NASA. Sometimes you know, can see if you need a car on the fresh other. It's your bath and the fresh aquatic course. And you know, if you okay, operation no to us, so maybe I'm sure you're not come one month. The group is an equal patients now out to be to seek a the support to the awareness of the apartment. Okay. And the emphasis things I was the ones that when I really when to your cochrane and I'm the crying about the family.
Interesting. Doctor Mbacho, me co-host Kwapi episode Bisawasa.
With the doctor, with the Wadaruma, Mechacha. Papa. Doctor, now with them Besemu Sicano, a bedroom side, and I fell ever. I buy scarcem na me.
I buy any chat. She can't to say, and pennyful session, the person, a business say. Yet to me, yes, you set up isolation B. Isolation B, you know. For example, equipment beer, I was saying this is your whole canino. Which means that equipment, a beer, a word, you could use the acquire, and I didn't be to a word.
Papa.
akwa yes okay you be here separate room here
that's right
for the back ho gen yes you can buy your be you been to oxygen you been to face mask you been to hand sanitizer you o back of another ya be na first hand sanitizer screen you say do
okay
because first you know say within the walls you know kwa be hand sanitizer you know baby a ebusuafo kura be sre ni baby bo baby a we ebusuani kura be nyabi ya fa won sa ni na extra cost aba be tokwa aban no fa sometimes ibu okwa mo say na wan kasa wo hospital bills and we can say down cover ne sa because extra bed na better health care system this one and now back of anotia mask dey bia yakwa adwuma ya obi abebo max fufu ebo kwa tumbo 2 or 3 because back na boy no patient bi ba ya no kra no why bi ama pretty good what asesa no so can no be kwa kwa juma the whole day kwa bomb mask but atiatia because unless before say you be bomb mask no be obi aba o TB or bowa ana ya we bi enje nyesa anka nyesa de bia obi aba max we adwuma
okay
no and also more TB word here you am table mask but kwa we dia
and you say sa niema no ne dan na we say mo separate ama e say omo coronavirus no e say sa dan ne sa nose mask ni na no aye ready mprempre aye no wo kasa yi
eno dia aye ready am no kasa sisia ya simulation exercise for example ya simulation exercise no obi you said that far obi a woni ya ready bi e fa na tempo abedu ade an ye beye
okay
after wo year rehearsals
okay
ya na mani nyina we team we have so ya de kwa ya de na to we so oxygen ya okay ya say ya isolate no see what that ya sa na mani nyina equipment bibia ye ready
sesi anso obi yare ne de ne ba ho sesi na monka se mo twen aban ansa oba ya mo ye no ho adwuma amana fa no ho adi
ye no ho adwuma ye be fa ne sample within 3-4 hours I ready me who say negative or positive na de twaso
okay pia na ye ka Valentine me say mo kan say quarantine ne de yin
ye ka quarantine and say for example you say kwapia enya ya we ni bi
dabi odi fa ayi me na ninya bi Polino dabi odi fa Polino ye me fie me dabi me fie ntina me kasa no omo de omo ensemi se omo so anu ntem me se odi fa Polino ye
the way they are no do go see a friend isolation now say now only Polino no Polino nye and because the Polino nye bi no so no so akose dem ma because na obowa na Polino nim say coronavirus no ti what wa bo wa gu ni so a Polino complaining say when yakata na o na de ene ya na emom no one in the order ba kuma also abo wa gu ma ti Polino de na e de ne kose dem quarantine ya community na he
okay
obesa si enya symptoms na if you no sana to be isolation the old there you are not dead so you do kwese baby quarantine you born ho ban efiso benya yare if you nyagu sape any young quarantine which in a way na you monitor for symptoms you say protect you from yare because you were Polino chain the Polino they isolating no which is the difference between isolation and quarantine no unyanya yare no
okay
yes
okay
if you are on a monitor na say yare ni baba me no ka say bi kwa bo egu so incubation period but isolation
I don't know your friend say incubation period
I don't know abona ko mu be enyan shate ma wonyare
okay
ya so incubate akwasa akukọ butu ni kosua so na onya hache onya mpan kosua no na ebedi some days asa no apaya ma dane akukọ no akokoba no pepe nti won aboa no ya fa ne se wabo wegu ne so nti aboa na betena ne bu be onyanyare
okay
nti ya china se den ma he
ya
woni chana he se ya we ne beba ana ye ne some test ne ne ma bia he se ya we ne wanya
na ma pe kwan bia afa no ntem
e frɛ no quarantine
pia
obo no tumi fi abochiri ba ubedu ya ebetuma quarantine wo enya isolation because me no ka se bia won ka sa wo yare Nemo ye ni so free China na aba.
Okay.
So they quarantine.
Okay.
And on your do ko say dem ma he. So yare ni bi beba so ana ebi o mu jemu a enso unya nyare so symptoms bia na ya quarantine.
Oh, okay.
Isolation ni dia obedu Ghana obowa wayamre ya isolate to be akose baby. Wo di yare na nya aba so na ya isolation.
Isolation. Ya da si bebre. Na me pa obi nya bia wona he ansa na sabi wawu. Na me kopoma ne mpare.
Pato yare no before so be sha fear there these symptoms no. Na ebu akra mo to nya wo mo bu akra na 2 weeks. And so na o de mo na 92 weeks afin na na mpo bi ayare no.
Okay.
And inti time out the wu no obia na ne de any certain na wo nya this time obia na immune system.
Okay.
For example,
na maximum no be saying.
Oh, maximum. What do you mean maximum? The chance me maximum. They say,
oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Yes, social percentage wise, no crana. Every percent because take your percentage in it is a bar for floor crania. It's a 0.2. That's a cabin punu. To say it's really good 10 and poco. Into as a starting because of stats on us. In the middle stage, be able to find an average also. The way the mortality rate is. But as of now, dear, we pay young quite free and doors to sing the table. Nina Sujina, how I show see what did you immune system, when you should be with the fruit and vegetables because they contain vitamin C. Vitamin C is antioxidant, it boosts immune system. No, if you know you're the unimportant with the DB on your fruit, we said the Guso. Nina, my immune system, no costume and the quick virus.
Ayo na doctor now ka say sanitizer no the alcohol be 72% no eno na ye na say yasiputo hwegum eno ane ni nyina kwansen kromo na nipa no be alcohol no be go nse no ene onoma say ni nkesi wa o
ye tiane say alcohol percentage a betimi ato aboa no say ye say abanu makwemu a be ha brebo na tete won so no because abuano wanya mesa and if alcohol na idea go hand sanitizer the percentage no was sure. Okay. It is out there and na ubenuma anka yarewe nkono na obrebo krase.
Akọ fast and fufro e di aba.
Nemo sa then say and number 15%, 20% did the as what to abo boss na ta so it be na abo na hwe.
Oh, okay.
Obenuma.
Hey, and as a sanitizer and the band is saying, go on, yes, and you got it. Oh, okay. Are you? And yet, that's a pass. If you choose, so Republic of Bessie Afro. Okay, Uncle Ponchero.
Wow, you're not Dr. Dexter now, or confirm teaching hospital and a car. I think that. Well, educated.
Yeah, I can't say memory.
And you might be I'll be practicing it.
Yeah.
I think that also now I hear the GDS
Papa. There's your boy, say, my banner. Once maybe son or say, or more iron to 20. When you share, so what I say.
Yeah, and you can say a boom.
Yes, true, baby. Baby, I'm a dear clan say, and you be any to me, Kuno. Where in term now bar a doctor phone bit me, I share. Catch yesterday. Yesterday, some no corner quarantine.
I have
Papa, bet, Miss say, young for musicians, no, and come home.
No more
musician, no more
no more
actors, no. Near drama, in your short comedy, being for now, month for any education and tentem. But what a sack what they are determining, no, or can't send back. Or at no baby, patapa, so family, a yali, Uncle and Canocru. Say Ghana, I have Bapa and Crawford bit much temper, bet your man temper is still queen for. Yeah. A few donomas. Oh, I saw roll into no one do it to cranny out roll. So I'll bet you see, yeah. The I'm nose marks and no more baby. I was a
sugar teeth.
Shoot, oh, me, no, I'll miss sugar. I'll meet men and them. He said, I beg your crank, I wouldn't crowd dress it to say ninja. Aye. Srokoto for no edin say yare we be che mo say ye kan srokoto for ye nkan hwe and chom because from head to toe on what cover baby akowa you nanim kra aka ho so that's it tie fia do mesra wo mayale we ntwem ansa wasan ai den aworo ho ye si fitie na koi de so you wadwen so be ro a he oh wenya COVID-19 and I'm gonna say
why some like
COVID-19
because why some like
if you order some na make and then slave queen for no
I don't know
sister fiane what else on the ambassador oh say on there send a social media no wetimi yi no ho de o de oyi de be hwe what to say because unemu abi a wo kase bi a wo kope bible bi akan wo be hu an say fia order abeda ho bon no aye bibisi oyi we ni yin isa wa hwe enti papa enti we de fabia sewe ti esramo moma de doctor ya kan ne kakra nso ayenso ya kan yemfa nya adwuma ne nyina yemo ye ho ban free ya wewe ho mpemfo no so ya damase se mo tu anamo kese yesa edamase
alright sene ya kan nyame champagne no se amode nyoma gu kwan ma enkoye se abana yenya ba bi mfa wo nko doctor say unya dru ye na the necessary thing be also on your test within 3 hours and half 4 hours results are bad they say you be ebe yo kama na asundua ba se na kan no se yare no enkum ni pashe show sa nti yensusuma ehummoye so bi ben na ho se mo show innocent me se obowa o ne hwenim ane sa ehomena de ye ne ye na ntempa na de na dru hospital no mo aye ne check up ni ho se bibia da na kwen and also so person obo ho modern so ana so obo ho ban so vitamin C udidi so ana one fruits so na be ya immune system no e be boost no na strong because o say yare no immune system no is stronger e betimi akon yare no nti sa ye ma wadura na what responded to it and tem na ho ato because nipa bibiri na enye yare na asisi o ma recover nti ni kwan se bo hu kra ha e poli no mo
na mom de si ano kwan pa ne kese pa ye mpaibo mampaibo ohunye
no credit because I think say America kuro ni na Trump say omo fa mpaibo kese
it's almost close to school for nko adwuma for nko iso komo wa nwani na asan wo amanfo atwe ko gufie obi a hye ni dem so what I say
nyame nkan nyina ho na ombo ho ban na onji mfisa yare we mu na emre mu adin sei no ye hu se nyame doye aha Polino multimedia me din ade am strong Polino ade me ne kwapia papa ne sia
papa
kwapia wo Instagram kwapia_comedy and YouTube so kwapia comedy Facebook so sa
papa kwapia ne
QUAPIAH_com or Instagram on no follow Polino multimedia so e wo Instagram Polino_com the boy camera no ho by no password and so betimi follow YouTube password multimedia on the MC we was said no ko
because Gaby attest no coronavirus what they are testing no kra I so friend na won fa oni na ye say one friend on fight what they get they are testing na wa kan ya say no password enya no pa I say between say ohome a ensi so and I say fever no ho ye mere
yes Alfred Dr. Dixon
na ye de ne ko when your patient ba ko
password baba